In this tutorial, you'll learn how to personalize Google Calendar with a custom background image using a browser extension. First, open a new browser tab and type in a search for Calendar wallpaper extensions. When you see extensions in the results, click the top link to open the Chrome Web Store listing for custom calendar background. Click the Get button to add the extension to your browser, making it ready for use. After installation, click View Extension. Next, click the More option. Then, select Extensions option from the menu. Now, select Single Image for the background mode in the extension settings to use one picture as your calendar background. Next, use the search field in a new tab and enter a query to find a background image. For example, searching for a cat image. Click into your completed search for a cat image, then switch to the Images tab to browse results and choose a picture you like. Select an image from the results grid and use the browser's tools to copy the image link. Back in the extensions settings, click inside the image URL field and paste the link you copied there. Click the Save button to apply your new background image setting. Finally, return to your Google Calendar tab. Once you're here, refresh the tab. As you can see, the background has been changed successfully. You now know how to add a custom background to Google Calendar.